Welcome back to my dimension. I hope you guys had a blessed day. If you didn't, I'm sending you positive loving energy your way. Hello guys, welcome to my dimension. I hope you guys had a blessed day. If you didn't, I'm sending you positive loving energy your way. Welcome. This is going to be a vlogging video, okay? We're gonna do a mini home vlog and it's gonna be cooking. Like what? Come cook with me and my beautiful relative, okay? She's not gonna be on camera because she don't want to be on camera, but step right in and let's get it. So before I start this video or this cooking video, I just want to let you guys know, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Like, what is this? I have an Instagram. My Instagram is mydimensionnn with 3 N's. mydimensionnn, okay? Or you can search it up as mydimensionnn8. I have an Instagram. Please go there and hit that follow button for me, my love. I know. I realized that these past few days, I kind of been not necessarily bipolar, but moody. And yeah, I be posting funny stuff on my stories. So if you guys want to know that side of me, go and follow my Instagram. Look at my hair. So this is what we're working with for now. My outfit. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. Ow. Oh, once again they said don't forget to eat, sleep, drink some coffee and repeat. But this ain't coffee, this is tea. Don't forget to drink some tea. You need some tea in your system. Sometimes I also go by the name tea, all right? Sometimes you need some tea in your system. It's healthy for you. It will detox you. Oh. So that's what they said. Eat, sleep, coffee / tea and repeat. That's me. Look at my kitty sleeping. Did I bother you? Oh, Chukupulu. Did I bother you, my Chukupulu? So I'm going to go over the ingredients. The two things that is it's okay. The two things that's gonna be made is palm oil sauce and yucca leaf sauce, or palm oil stew. So these are African dishes. The ingredients involves, we have here tomatoes, we have here onions, and we have here turkey wings, and these are going to be used for both the palm oil stew and the yucca leaf sauce. We also have right here goat meat. Right here. You see how big the wings are? These are turkey wings. These are gigantic. Alright. We have here as well, this is the actual yucca leaves or cassava leaves that these Africans use, or we use. I said these, but I'm African too. This is cassava leaves, also known as yucca leaves. So these are leaves that have been picked, grind to finely chopped and packaged in these little plastic bags, okay? And then we also have here, we have here chicken right here, big plate of chicken. This is going to be used for the palm oil stew as well. We have here smoked shrimp and smoked anchovies that's soaking into water, and this is going to be the vegetables. So all this is gonna be for the palm oil stew, and this is gonna be for the yucca leaf sauce. All right. So far there has been fish that has been steamed right here. There we go.
Smoked turkey wings for the yucca leaves sauce. This is the turkey wings and the goat wings well washed together. So I'm gonna use some salt for seasoning. And I'm gonna use the shrimp. And I'm gonna use some Maggi for seasoning. And that's the fish I'm gonna use. And we got some of this seasoning also to use. And we got some minced garlic that we're gonna use. Some oil. My blender stream.
We are adding the onions to the yucca leaves, also known as the cassava sauce. That looks yummy. Look at that. All that steam, the aroma says African cooking at its finest. And we also have here some fish that we're going to be adding later. Alright. This is the after product of the steamed vegetables. That's going to be blended in the blender, and you're going to see it in a puree form. And this is the fried chicken, oil fried, deep fried. So this is the So here, this is the cassava leaves, aka the yucca sauce. So in here, that's boiling is the turkey, the goat's meat, the onions, the shrimp, the smoked shrimp and smoked anchovies that's boiling in here, as well as the oil and the pureed vegetables and seasonings. So this is what is happening, some magic in here. This is what you call the African cassava leaves. This is the habanero peppers. This is gonna be blended in the blender, and this is gonna go in both sauces. So these are orange habanero hot peppers. You know, if it's not spicy, you ain't African. So now the goat meat is gonna be added in the sauteed onions, which this is the palm oil as well. Like I said, this is the palm oil stew. You're gonna mix that well. And you're gonna let that simmer with the goat meat. We have here the diced and cut up, I said diced, sliced tomatoes. That's going to be added in here. So this is dicing the green onions. We're about to put this inside the palm oil stew with the tomatoes. The diced green onions has been added. So yeah, you really want to add both regular white onions or yellow onions and green onions. This is gonna enhance the taste. Yeah. So now we're gonna add the sliced tomatoes and let that simmer and saute. So this is what you say, palm oil stew. Very simple, very quick. Okay, we're adding some garlic. You can choose minced garlic or just garlic cloves, it doesn't really matter. Powdered garlic works too. And we're gonna be adding the chicken. And now we're gonna mix it. You're gonna have to mix this real well. Mix it real well into the sauce. Look at the sauce. That's the sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we're adding some garlic. You can choose minced garlic or just garlic cloves, it doesn't really matter. Powdered garlic works too. After the yucca leaves has been simmered, so the yucca leaves was added in here. That's the green plastic thing that I showed you guys. You're gonna add the mackerel fish like this. So this is the green bag. This is what was added. It was this. Basically cassava leaves. You put it in there after it has been simmered. So now you're gonna let the mackerel fish simmer into the sauce. You're going to add next the coconut milk into the yucca leaf sauce, and this is gonna make it tasty. Okay, this is gonna thicken the sauce as well. So after the mackerel fish is simmered, you're gonna add the coconut milk in here. So this is the coconut milk that you're going to add in here. You're going to add peanut butter paste. Like, you don't want the peanut butter that has nuts in it, just simple, smooth, creamy peanut butter. You're gonna add that to your sauce and you're gonna mix it. So this is the coconut milk and the peanut butter added. So now it gives you this consistency. So this is the simmered yucca leaves. It's almost done, the finished product, but you want it to be like this, very thick. And when you're mixing it, you see, it's thick but creamy. This is why you add the coconut milk and the peanut butter. And let me tell you guys, this is actually very healthy for you. Because why? It's mostly protein and leaves, so this is vegetable based. So you're not gonna have a lot of fat in here. You have a lot of onions, which is healthy for you. You have coconut, which is healthy for you. Peanut butter, which is healthy for you. This will get you buff. If you're a guy, it will get you buff and thick while you're working out. Yucca leaves, cassava leaves. If you're a woman, this will help you with your curves. It's not gonna make you fat, anything like that. This is healthy for you. So now this is going to be a taste test. As I know, this is how Africans taste. You put it on your hand, your palm, and you lick it like this. Spicy, good, creamy, peanut buttery. It's the perfect exotic dish.
Bell peppers and steamed onions. It's gonna blend together to put it to the red palm oil stew. Habanero pepper, it's optional, spicy. Habanero pepper with some chicken broth.
You're going to add peanut butter paste. Like, you don't want the peanut butter that has nuts in it, just simple, smooth, creamy peanut butter. You're gonna add that to your sauce and you're gonna mix it. So this is the coconut milk and the peanut butter added. So now it gives you this consistency. It's thick but creamy. This is why you add the coconut milk and the peanut butter. So this is the yucca leaves finished product in a bowl. It's in multiple bowls. So you can eat this with rice. You can eat this with fufu, cassava. Also, you can eat this with what they call yams if you choose. But same thing with the palm oil stew. I'm gonna put a finishing plate for you guys to see. So since the yucca leaves is done, we transferred the palm oil stew to this pot. So this is the palm oil stew, so you guys don't get it confused. So after you finish pureeing the vegetables and the peppers, you just add it to the sauce, and this is the finished product after it's been simmered for a couple minutes. Very simple, very delicious, and very healthy for you too. As you guys can see, it's mostly vegetables that was used. Okay guys, that is the end of this vlog, this cooking video. I hope it goes viral. I'm gonna manifest it. This video is going to go viral. I know this video is going to go viral. You know this video is going to go viral, okay? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video. YouTube algorithm, I want you to push this video out there. Push this video out there, YouTube, and let a lot of people see it. I want to get this video to at least 1 million views plus more. Can we get it to 10 million? Who knows? Y'all, this is African cooking. I'm telling you, you guys taste this sauce, these African sauce, you ain't never gonna go back. It tastes so good, you will love it, you will like it. And if y'all, I'm just saying, y'all are interested, whoever is out there and you guys are big time payers, like big time payers, and y'all want us to cook for you and y'all gonna pay big time, and bruh, yum, yummy, yummy, yum. I've cooked before for children. Basically, I've cooked for children, gave them free food, never charged them. That's different. I'm talking about like events and stuff. This is big. I hope it goes viral. If I was YouTube, I would push my video out there. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, my love. See you next time. Mwah.